Remember that AI content wizard we talked about last time?
Well, today we're pulling back the curtain and showing you exactly how to become one. Even if you think the most creative writing you've done is your grocery list.
First things first, let's bust a myth. You don't need to be a professional writer to make money with AI content. You just need to know how to be a great AI conductor. Think of yourself as the person who tells the orchestra what to play, not the one playing all the instruments. Here's the thing about AI content writing that nobody tells you. The real money isn't in writing the content, it's in knowing what content to write. Mind blown yet? Let me explain. The average business owner doesn't need Shakespeare. They need someone who can consistently create engaging blog posts, social media content, and email newsletters that actually sound human. That's where you come in. Let me show you the exact process I use. First, we're going to pick our niche. Please, I beg you, don't just say, "I'll write about anything." That's like being a restaurant that serves every cuisine. You'll end up being mediocre at everything. Instead, pick something you actually enjoy talking about. Love pets? Perfect. The pet industry is booming and desperately needs content. Into fitness? Even better. There are thousands of gym owners who need help with their blogs. Now let's talk about the tools. You don't need to spend hundreds on fancy AI writers. I'll show you how to start with free tools that work just as well. The secret is not in the tool, it's in how you use it. Here's a real example. One of my students started writing pet care content. Their first client, a local veterinary clinic. The payment, $200 for 4 blog posts that took them less than 2 hours to create. Not bad for a beginner, right? But here's where it gets really interesting. The same content can often be repurposed. That blog post about dog training. With a few tweaks, it becomes a social media series. That pet nutrition guide. Now it's an email newsletter. You're not just a writer, you're a content multiplication machine. Let's talk about finding clients. No, you don't need to spend hours on freelance websites competing with thousands of others. I'll show you my ninja technique for finding clients who don't even know they need you yet. Remember, your goal isn't to replace human writers, it's to help businesses create content they couldn't afford otherwise. You're not taking jobs, you're creating opportunities. Now, here's your exact step-by-step plan to start your AI content writing business tomorrow. Step 1. Pick your niche. Choose something you're genuinely interested in. Pet care, fitness, tech, local businesses, whatever gets you excited. The test is simple. Could you chat about this topic for 10 minutes without getting bored? That's your niche. Step 2. Set up your tools. You don't need anything fancy to start. Sign up for a free AI writing tool. Create a simple Google Doc template for your content, and maybe set up a basic Canva account for graphics. Oh, and Grammarly's free version is your new best friend. It catches those weird AI phrases that sometimes slip through. Step 3. Create your first samples. This is where the magic happens. Create a couple of blog posts in your niche, a social media calendar, and maybe an email newsletter. Keep copies of everything. This becomes your portfolio when you're pitching to clients. Step 4. Find your first client. Here's my favorite method. Google local businesses in your niche within 20 miles. Check if they have a blog. If it's non-existent or hasn't been updated since 2020, bingo. That's your opportunity. Send them a personalized sample showing what you could do for them. Step 5. Price your services. Start with something simple. $30 for a 500-word blog post. As you gain experience and confidence, create packages. $150 for 4 blog posts or $300 for a complete content calendar. Remember, you're not just selling words. You're selling time and expertise. Step 6. Deliver your first project. Use the AI tool to create a rough draft, then make it human. Add your personal touch. Run it through Grammarly. Sprinkle in some relevant stats. And deliver it a day early. Clients remember that kind of service. The bonus step. Scale your business by asking for testimonials, creating case studies, and joining LinkedIn groups in your niche. Before you know it, you'll have more clients than time. Quick tips for success. Always meet deadlines, communicate clearly, focus on solving problems, and keep learning. The AI landscape changes fast, and staying ahead of the curve is your superpower. Stay tuned, because next time we're diving deep into AI voiceover work, where you can make money without ever using your own voice. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. This is from Neuro to Nova, where the journey from knowledge to brilliance is happening right now, and I'll see you in the next video.